All right, guys, waking up to work on the Dodge Charger for our Cleetus Cars Burnout event today. Last night we had the New England 900 where we did 90 laps and Crown Victorias around Stafford Motor Speedway, and I got taken out in a small wreck, but I woke up with zero regrets after hitting the Ricky Bobby I'm on fire in my boxers and helmet on. I thought it was hilarious. It's something I've always wanted to do. It's all in good fun, right? We're here to put on a show, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, but we have to lay down a monster burnout in this thing today and burnout rivals. But before we do that, I'm gonna need to replace this alternator. Currently, this alternator right here is either making 19 volts or no volts. Obviously, 19 volts is way too much, and no volts is not good enough. So I've got a brand new alternator a friend brought, and we're gonna get this thing slapped on, see if that makes a difference for us. So we're out with the old alternator, and we're gonna in with the new. That should make the difference for us. Well, all right, guys, the new alternator is in place. I just need to figure out the wiring. We should be good to hit the skid pad. Well, guys, I was trying to get the car idling, and oh my. Sorry, Luke, but split the tank. Wow. Brutal. I saw it. I literally heard the pop. Guys, I was trying to figure out this alternator issue, and the tank expanded and popped one of the welds on it. So hopefully we can get this fixed. We got a couple hours before the burnout pad opens, and I'm sure we can find a mobile, TIG welder for aluminum around here. I know you're great at buffing, but is this one gonna buff out?
I'll tell you what, whew, she's gonna be a little, not be problematic, but you know, we don't know till we give it a try. So we will. We'll jump into it with all, you know, with a little bit of heavy duty compound, heavy duty pads, and see what we can do. Yes, we will.
Well, shout out to this fan base, guys. Garrett and I put out a post. We found a guy 2 minutes down the road that has a welder that's gonna get it back together. All we gotta do is get this thing pulled out of the car, bring it over to his house, we'll weld it up, get it back in, and then rip a fat burnout. Let's go. Just like that, ready for repair. What's up, guys? Thanks for making this happen today.
Yeah, absolutely.
I'm Parker.
Connor, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Connor.
Dylan.
Dylan, how you doing? Nice to meet you. What's going on?
Tim, how you doing?
Tim, nice to meet you. Love all the John boats.
Oh, yeah. Seen you last year.
Yeah? Working on the tiller, getting her going?
Yeah. Oh, that's a brand new motor. Just tuning it. That's it.
There you go. Yeah. Heck yeah, guys.
Oh, yeah.
Well, I appreciate you helping me out today. Yeah. We had a little situation this morning.
Oh. Yep. So what happened?
Really nothing, honestly. I was just letting the car idle, and as only like 150 degrees, and she just popped on me. I saw like some leakage over time.
Right.
Out of some welds, and then it started spraying, and then it popped, and I was like, all right, well, oh, look, you know exactly what you're doing.
Yeah, these are
making fuel cells. For
yeah, he's gonna weld these on later today. So my welder's at the shop at the roundabout just right there.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, so we rip over there real quick here.
Let's do it.
My boy wants to say what's up to you too.
What's up, dude? How are you? What's your name?
Blake.
Blake? Parker, nice to meet you, brother.
Nice to meet you.
I love the John boat life, man. That's where it's at. Nothing better than being out on the river, right?
Yep. Nothing better.
Yeah.
Water and woods.
Yeah, we can figure out it.
Down south?
Florida, yeah.
Yep. So yeah, we want to go, but
I've got a big John boat, but it's made out of wood. With a long tail on the back. This is how I know I'm with my kind of people, is when your bed of your pickup truck looks like this. Am I right or what? Basically what happened is we're thinking that the volume of this is so big, larger volume, you increase volume, you know, a lot more water to expand. It expanded to the point where the weld cracked. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys, Luke, who built these, told me that we should have reinforced these. And since I was in a rush to finish this car, I told him, nah, it'll be fine. And it's completely my fault. So I should have listened to Luke from the get-go, who made these. This is not his fault that this happened. It is absolutely my fault because he told me to do this and I told him no. So here we are on the day of the event, dealing with a problem that could have been prevented if I would have just listened to Luke. So I don't want to make you look bad, but this is completely my fault. Weld this back together, then put a chunk like this on there.
yeah, that'll do it.
Probably on this side too. Just really any side. Really every side. Give her the old ratcheter 9000.
Yep.
Go one more click.
One more. There we go.
Perfect. Look at that, like it was meant to be. Gotta get 1 minute on the burnout pad, and I'm expecting this thing to blow. Luke wanted to design these completely differently and do internal, you know, structuring to like really stop it from ballooning out. But we were on a time crunch, and I rushed him. So here we are. Could have probably spent the time building it right with the time that we're investing now to fix it. So whatever. We'll improve it when we get back home. These guys are really helping us out today. When I'm around welders, I like to stare at them. How are we looking? You like it?
Honestly, not terrible, I guess.
Oh, damn, brother. Hell yeah.
Yep.
You did that quick.
Yeah. Yeah, this thing burns stupid, stupid hot.
When I do this, I usually like to go over it about 4 or 5 times.
Right. Is I'll put this strap on the other side, try to close that gap.
I like it.
Once it started opening up, it
made it difficult. You don't want to burn a hole in it.
Yep.
What are the odds this thing's gonna hold water when we're done? It'll float a boat, right?
Yeah, it should. I mean, my boat float. So.
They build boats.
How hot was the car running? As I always said, just power that big, huh?
Yeah.
That whole scene.
Not ideal.
Think I could go one more?
Yeah, hell yeah, send it. That's perfect. Alright. Oh, it's still got a little...
Yeah. I don't want it to get too hot. Little hole through there.
Alright. I think we might throw some JB weld over the top of the welds too. What do you think? Eh? So you think we grind it down and run it back again, or nah?
You can if you want to, yeah.
Probably wouldn't hurt, right?
No, not
Just
at all.
so that we know we're watertight.
Right.
It doesn't have to be pretty, it just has to work, you know what I'm saying? I just want to make sure that I don't like get it all the way back in the car, fill it up with water, and it's like squirting everywhere, you know?
Yeah.
All right.
Getting somewhere.
Getting somewhere. That thing is pretty cooked for a flap disc.
Yeah, I thought I had a whole bunch more, but I guess not.
All right, give me this.
Safety cover, right?
Yep. Safety squints.
Good.
Solid, solid. Tell you one thing, that thing ain't leaking for sure.
Yeah.
That's crazy to see the molten aluminum drip down the side, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's really interesting.
It's pretty much like solder. Honestly, aluminum acts like solder a lot.
Interesting. I'm just kidding.
I was scared for a second.
This dude's crazy. What the helly?
What the helly?
That gun's sweet then.
Yeah, it honestly works.
The Spooler 9000?
Yeah, it works.
9,000.
Works a lot better than I thought it was. I don't know what the this thing's doing right now.
She's getting pissed at you, dude.
Yeah.
Oh, damn, I looked right at it. I can't wait to go install this on hot asphalt in the heat of day.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be great.
While there's 50 people standing around staring at me doing it. I mean, dude, that thing's not moving. I would just, with the little time you have left on it, possibly just tack it twice on the top, you know?
Yeah, it's just yeah, it's
staying in the tip.
Yeah, it's like melting itself apart.
Yeah, that's fine.
All right.
All right. Nice work, dude. Appreciate you making this happen.
Absolutely.
Seriously. Nice to meet you as well. Let's go get this thing back in the car so that we can do a burnout. Hell yeah, boys. That's awesome. Oh, damn, that's hot.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, I appreciate you guys trusting me to attempt this, I guess.
Appreciate you making it.
Holy shit. You just burnt your arm in the weld.
Wouldn't be the first time. All right, with the little time we have left, we only have about an hour to get this thing back in the car before we got to go pull down on pit lane to get in line to do our burnout and burnout rivals. Back in, dude, like nothing happened. Get her hooked back up, bolt it in, put some water in it, and then probably not even start it until the burnout. I was told to turn it off.
You're done.
Apparently there's a driver's meeting going on. That was embarrassing. Yeah. Apparently there's a driver's meeting going on. All right, old girl, I know you've lived a rough life as a police interceptor, pursuit vehicle, and your new life as a burnout car. Today is your first event. We spent a lot of time together. I put my blood, sweat, and tears into you. And all I ask is that you put on a great freaking show for the fans. Let's do this. Oh, pep talk. Are we ready to rip or what, dude? Look at this crowd. I mean, incredible, dude. Freaking sold out show for a burnout contest. I mean, this makes me so happy and excited to be able to share these memories with so many people. Like, it just puts into perspective how thankful I am that all of you watch our videos. We put so much work and time and money into these cars and these shows to have a good time, and then you guys get to hang out and do the same thing with your buddies because it provides inspiration. And all I gotta say is buy that car, build it, have fun. It's time to send this thing.
She said, stop it. You always let me down when I want you. I can't help it, but I can't let you forget me. Won't let you forget me. Girl, I take back all the lies and the side. Girl, I try. Let's remember all the times that we did have. And the times I made you laugh when you sat up on my lap. And the borders wasn't packed cause of COVID. Back and forth we go.
Up next, we have my brother, Dr. Parker, in the Copycat. This is a Dodge Charger with a Hellcat engine in it. And it's something he's been working really hard on the last few months. It's all done, ready to rev. This will be its first big burnout on the stage.
shakedown pass though.
That was good.
Got some bugs to figure out, but hey dude, check this out. The thing's literally about to sit on the ground. You see that?
Yeah.
I mean, I called it. I said the first thing to go on this car is going to be that rear diff. The axle's held up, the drive shaft, the trans, the engine. Got a few things to work on the tune, but pretty sure by next Burnout Rivals, we'll have this thing freaking dialed. That was fun. That's sick. What do you think?
That was good. That was a good one.
I would say overall pretty good fresh start too. Getting back on the Burnout pad. Look at the tires.
We get a strap one with control arm.
I think if we could have stayed out on the Burnout pad for about another 20 seconds or so, it would have been cooked, dude. There's no tread left on those suckers. Absolutely brutal, dude. Hey, brother, I think I'm gonna have to send you a bill for that. Well, it looks pretty good under here. It looks like this one ballooned up quite a bit. But that's all right. We'll improve that, guys. Got a couple things to iron out, but I would say pretty successful shakedown pass on the Copycat.